What's up, everybody? This is Marcos here with RCM Pro. Just wanted to show you guys, especially if you're just starting out or if you're really not too familiar with soft washing or what you should do. So what I have here, this is the first pump I got. I got this back last year, so this is my first soft wash pump. It's a Pentair SUREFLO. It's only, I think it's only 1.5 gallons per minute or 2 gallons per minute, but at 150 psi. So I know a lot of people are running much more flow than that, 5 gallons, 7 gallons. But honestly, in my experience, especially doing roofs, I like the fact that it has a high pressure, and then when I use like a fan tip with a J-rod, I feel like I can control a lot better the amount of chemical that comes out. I'm not putting so much chemical on the roof. So we'll set that here for a second. Turn on my pump. I just got it in a bucket of water for right now. Actually, guys, I've been doing pretty good without a blend manifold. Definitely will be adding that this season. I definitely know the benefits and merits to having a blend manifold, but I just haven't really needed it. I've been able to work pretty good. I can do most normal sized roofs with this tank, batch mixing it. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna get the blend manifold. I've been slacking on that, but I just haven't really needed it. But I've been using my Softwash more and more, even though it is a hassle to batch mix. Even using, I would say, even just batch mixing, I can still do a house wash. I think, at least here in Florida, we got a lot of stucco. House wash faster. Apologize for the camera, gimbal's acting crazy. A house wash like this, stucco home, faster, even though I've got to pull out 2 sets of hoses. You know, my soft wash and my pressure washer to rinse. So yes, I can downstream for the most part, but if it's really dirty, I'll just go ahead and mix up a batch and just knock it out. Again, I apologize for I need to get a new gimbal. This thing is acting up a little bit. So anyway, I just wanted to show you this little pump. It's got no tip on it now. So I mean, that's plenty of of chemical to be applied. Let me set this down here. Hopefully it doesn't spaz out too much. So with this pump, there is a little bit of a prime up. I'm not familiar with the other pumps. Like I said, for me, this has worked out really good. So if you guys are looking for different ideas or anything like that, just, you know, something else to keep in mind and check out. So this is what I predominantly use, this fan tip here. I've tried the little twist nozzles and they're okay, but I find myself using this fan tip the most. I feel like I can control a lot better where I apply the chem, and I don't have a lot of runoff. So we'll see here too. I got a shooter. Shooter tip. It's pretty far. I don't know how well you can see that, but I mean, this sucker can shoot. So from the ground, I can easily do 2 stories. I might even be able to hit some areas on 3, especially if I let the pressure build up all the way, and you can probably hear the pump running. Yes, this hose will be switched out. It's been good for a year, but it's showing signs of bulging and wear. I cut it back a couple times and it still tends to build up a lot of pressure here. I think actually the pressure regulator on my pump maybe not be working so good anymore, so it's probably pushing more than 150 psi. So this is like 2 gallons a minute at 150 psi. Plenty of reach. So I'm thinking at least 40-50 feet easy. So I've been using the same pump for going on over a year. I mean, I always flush and rinse everything out, so I've never had that issue, but this thing has been a champ. I think it's a little bit more pricey than your standard SUREFLO or SUREFLO, you know, the other pumps that most of the other guys use. But I think I'm out of water. It's a little bit more pricey, and I don't know if it's as easily available as the other pumps are. But it's been working out for me pretty good. And yeah, I ran out of water. I just wanted to show you guys what I do, what I've been using. It's worked out pretty good. It's my little humble rig here. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy. As the season goes on and stuff builds up, I'm definitely going to be doing some upgrades as needed, but for a year, this little small 4x7 trailer has helped sustain me and my family and provide me with just a better quality of life, being able to spend time that I want with my family and a good income and a good relationship with customers and homeowners in my area and neighborhood. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to share that with you. You don't have to always have the biggest and fanciest. Sometimes simple is better. Definitely having some of the fancy stuff does help, but all in due time. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking it out. Stay tuned. I plan on doing more content, more videos. If anything you guys want to see or do or show you guys, I'd be willing to share everything that I know, that I do, and I can share. Anyway, thanks for watching.